Is your coaching theoretical? You've done loads of learning, so why would you need a coach? Well, knowledge is abundant. So many successful entrepreneurs have shared all the information that you need to run a successful business. Books, podcasts, YouTube. It's a gift that you should absolutely be taking advantage of. In fact, I have my own daily learning ritual at 9 o'clock each night after the kids have gone to bed that I've practiced since I started this coaching business in 2007, plus the many hundreds of hours of coaching I've had over the years as well. There's so much knowledge that it really would take more time than any of us have to learn it all. So our coaching does condense it down into what's going to have the biggest impact for you. But knowledge is just one small part of what we do. In fact, when anyone starts their coaching journey with us, they get a reading and video list so they can learn for themselves. Because you don't need to invest in our coaching just to learn stuff. We've had leaders with MBAs, business degrees, and others who've already consumed considerable knowledge, yet in spite of that, they're still working crazy hours and often earning less than they could have done in a job. So instead, our coaching very much focuses on the practical, simple steps that anyone can take running a business to get results. So for example, rather than just telling you that setting goals is important, we take you through the practical steps. We give you a template to write down your goals. We help you break it down into 12 and 3-month goals. We make sure that you understand the common mistakes you may be making, like lack of specificity or failing to track your progress. In fact, we review your progress regularly, as a minimum every 3 months without fail. In fact, we put you in a room with us every quarter to absolutely make sure that you are analyzing your performance and how you can improve. This is what we mean by practical steps to make sure you convert knowledge into actually doing something so that you get the results that you want, financial and non-financial. Otherwise, knowledge on its own is just worthless.